Autism is a developmental disorder that affects communication and social skills. Symptoms of individuals on the autism disorder spectrum vary in severity, but once diagnosed, children are usually given a treatment plan that frequently includes group work. Dr. Albert Cotugno, a psychologist and Needham resident with nearly 40 years of experience, writes books to help professionals effectively work in group settings with autistic children. Here's Ashley Julia with the details.
The first book Dr. Cotugno wrote, called Group Interventions with Autism Spectrum Disorders, discussed the theory of the Social Competence Enhancement Program. His latest book, Making Sense of Social Situations, takes a more practical approach. It is a guide on how to evaluate and bring children together to achieve the most benefits.
The need to develop social competence is really a sort of lifelong and constant process for individuals on the spectrum. Our hope is that in training people, particularly again people in schools where they're with kids for significant parts of the day and week and months and years, that the approach will sort of be able to be embedded within a lot of what gets done on an ongoing basis.
Making Sense of Social Situations grew out of his work with children on the autism spectrum. With 1 out of 110 children in the U.S. diagnosed with an autism spectrum disorder, the importance of finding successful treatments is on the rise.
These are individuals now with social difficulties, and we're seeing more and more of that aspect of it emerging. The numbers are confusingly high and continue to increase year to year. So these are more and more frequently kids, in particular individuals, we are going to have to address and teach and understand in school settings.
The book includes about 100 activities to do in groups, as well as access to downloadable assessments.
It isn't just an idea that we intuitively think would be helpful, but it really does have some, as in this field we talk about evidence-based procedures. That means there's enough science and research supporting their use, so they aren't just kind of good ideas, that they are empirically supported ideas.
For more information, you can go to his website at www.drcotugno.com. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Julia.